My name is Aiman. See, I'm a student and I've been cooking here for two terms plus this term. And every time I'm cooking, the past when in LCS as well, we have the same problem. Right here, as you can see. It really annoys me when every time when I'm cooking, you see every time like when chefs are asking for ingredients or anything, it really annoys me because it's too simple because this right here. Yeah, it's really simple now and sometimes it gets really slippery, especially when you're wearing your chef boots. So it's really dangerous when you bring hot steak around food. You might hit someone or you're holding a knife or anything. True.